thoughts, morning thoughts, morning thoughts. Welcome to Morning Thoughts. It's SouFLoTV. Welcome to SouFLoTV. It's Morning Thoughts. Let's start the day off with a smile. Let's start the day off with positive vibrations. Check it. It's Friday, right? So for all my people who work Monday to Friday, I don't know what we say it already, right? For all my people who work Monday to Friday, get up every morning, go hustle and bustle upon the 9 to 5. Or the people that work 2 jobs, you know, some people work 9 to 5, you know, and then get off 5 o'clock and have about 1-2 hour rest and work 7 to 11 and them kind of thing that I used to do it. I used to actually work and then get off and then go work 7 to 11 back a morning again, no break. So I know the feeling. Today is Friday. Today is your weekend start. Make sure you go out there and be safe, but enjoy life. Enjoy the weekend. Life is short. So many things I want to talk about this morning, but I think I'll break it down in pieces and do different videos on it. What I'm going to touch on this morning, though, is this big old surprise right here, that 400 people have been murdered in Jamaica since the start of 2018. We're in May. We just started in May. 400 Jamaicans have been murdered since the start of 2018. I got up this morning, I was reading how former Security Minister KD Knight is threatening to rouse up the Jamaican people. I don't know, rouse them up how, or rouse them up to do what? Get them to rebel. Get them to rebel and start cuss. Be able to get them to rebel and start cuss. I don't think these people care. I don't think Jamaican people care enough to actually make significant change. Come on in, babe.
Good morning, guys.
I don't think Jamaican people care enough to make significant change. But apart from that, let's talk about how our fearless leader, Mr. Andrew Holness, and his newly elected police commissioner,
Major Anthony,
whatever his name is, they're not doing a goddamn thing in Jamaica, man.
Security Minister.
They're not doing a thing.
Dr. Horace Strong.
They're not doing a damn thing. May I say it again? They're not doing a thing. They're rich and wealthy and secured in their positions, and they're there to collect their money and set up a pension plan and fatten up their bank account while they're in office. That's the only way I see it. Because there's no way under your watch that all this is going on. Remember one time Andrew was running for Prime Minister? Webster, I'm gonna make Jamaica so safe that people can sleep with
their door open.
Okay, we get that. That might have been a bit overstated. Sleep with the door open. We'll say, all right, that might not gonna happen. But the level of security and safety that he promised, Jamaica has not seen 1% of that. Because it's gotten worse every year since. It's gotten worse every month since Andrew Holness has taken office. The murder rate has gotten worse every month since Andrew Holness has taken office. Since people, like I said, you have to give him time. Jamaican people are so caught up in JLP, PNP, right? Show and power, that anybody that is JLP right now, you can't say nothing but Andrew Holness to them. All when the country are burned down and half of it is in ashes. Like the 3 girls them when them find down so in the hotel, in the nightclub, Bad Fowl nightclub, we burn up. I saw Jamaica burned down. And the people are being found in there unidentifiable. They don't care. And the people, they care more of defending their political party than they actually care about making Andrew Holness do. I've told them what the solution is to this already, you know. You know what I hear me telling you again? This is the solution. In the hundreds and the thousands. You ever see when election call, how they come out in the square in Jamaica? I did not know that Jamaica had that many people. It looked like you poke a big ant pile. Not for politics. You come come out to support. JLP are coming power and PNP are coming power. Okay, good. How come when they don't do nothing and the country keep going down and down, y'all don't come out in the same numbers and make your voices heard? And that they need for doing it. That's what KD Knight thinks he's capable of doing. But like a white rice and curry goat run around there, so them play two vibes cartel in the constituency and the people them and him brush off him new clocks. And when you get that new clocks, the daddy, everybody say, yeah, I'm a boss, that, big up Anjo, yeah, around here, so, and go right back to dying. If the people came out in a crowd like that, up which part them people here live, march in front of Andrew Holness' house like this for about 1 week. And see if y'all don't get change in Jamaica.
ASAP.
March in front of, what them call it, I'm thinking in American terms.